Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Charge Essential 2nd generation speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your speaker for like 20 or 30 minutes. And then remember to disconnect any previously connected devices. Next, click once on this power button until this indicator lights up. Just like that. It'll also make the sound. Then click once on this Bluetooth button. Right now it is blinking. We are in the pairing mode. So you have to go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on with this switcher, and from the available devices list, pick the JBL Charge Essential 2nd generation speaker. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.